Happy New Year, everybody. It's January 2015. We are back with our Spring 2015 edition of the virtual office hours. My name is John Fia. I teach American history and chair the history department here at Messiah College. Megan Piet, as always, behind the camera. This is Megan's last semester as the producer of the office hours. We are going to miss her. We need to find someone to replace her. Actually, she's irreplaceable. We need to find somebody who can do the job over the course of the next year or so. But Megan will be with us producing until May. So you know, maybe Megan will have some kind of like final interview with you right before you retire from your position. We have, of course, the Founding Fathers with us, and we're ready to go for this new series. What I thought we'd do this semester is something a little bit different. I thought we'd turn inward, and when I mean inward, I think turning towards what's going on here in the history department at Messiah College. I'd like to think that we're doing a lot of new and creative things. We're going to call this series Messiah College, a new kind of history department. And I thought we would take some time for me to introduce you to some of the key players, both students and faculty and administrators, who we have worked with here on campus at Messiah College to promote the study of history and to use the study of history to produce thoughtful future citizens, thoughtful employees, thoughtful young men and women who are ready to go out there and engage the world and use certain things like historical thinking skills to do that. So we're going to spend a lot of time talking with people. It's not, you don't have to listen to me constantly every week. We're going to do a lot of different interviews with people over the course of the next 13 weeks. I guess what prompted me to do this is, and the way I'm sort of thinking about this and framing this series this spring, is an article that appeared in January 2015 in the American Scholar. This is the journal of the Phi Beta Kappa Society, one of these sort of leading intellectual thought journals in the country. The article is entitled "Habits of the Mind: Why college students who do serious historical research become independent analytical thinkers." And it's written by two historians that I greatly admire and respect, Anthony Grafton, who is the professor of history at Princeton and a former president of the American Historical Association, and then Jim Grossman, the executive director of the American Historical Association. You may remember that these two historians teamed up a few years ago in the to write the famous "No More Plan B" article about PhD programs training students, graduate students, to do things in the sort of public realm that are unrelated to sort of academia. But the reason I'm pointing this article out, first of all, it's a great article. If you are a chair or you teach history at any level, I think it says a lot about the way in which students who get involved in historical research develop certain skills and habits of the mind, if you will, that will prepare them for the world around them and make them better critical and analytical thinkers. However, I've been particularly pushing this essay because midway through the essay, Grafton and Grossman begin talking about some colleges and universities out there who seem to be doing this very, very well. And we are flattered here at Messiah College that we got a mention in here. Let me briefly read the sentence or two in which they mention Messiah. Grafton and Grossman write, go, for example, to the website of the History Department at Messiah College near Harrisburg, Pennsylvania, and you'll read about students doing every kind of research you can imagine, from working with a museum professional to excavate and restore a historical cemetery, to pursuing the family histories of African Americans in the documents at the Schomburg Center of the New York Public Library, to developing a digital archive on the history of Harrisburg. Again, these are all things that we've been engaged in here in the department. We're going to talk more about them over the course of the next 13 weeks. You're going to hear about Digital Harrisburg. You're going to hear about our initiatives in public history. You're going to hear about the larger vision for humanities here at Messiah. You're going to hear about how we're thinking about careers for history majors. You're going to hear from faculty and students in a series of interviews about how we are trying to construct here and build a new kind of history department at Messiah that is going to prepare our history majors for meaningful lives, meaningful careers in the 21st century world in which we live. So join us. We hope that you will be able to take something away from this that maybe you can use in your own departments and in your own teaching. And we'd love to hear comments, as usual, over at the Way of Improvement Leads Home blog. So we're looking forward to this, and we will see you next time on the Virtual Office Hours.